Hi, Michael Burns from Active Training Consultants. Hey, I had a call. In fact, it was not that long ago, but I had a phone call from one of my clients. Wanted me to do a fall protection, not really seminar, but kind of a class. So I walked in there to do this class, and I had a whole bunch of people there that were in this class that have been, climbing forever, wearing harnesses like forever. So anyway, long story short, they didn't quite understand the importance of checking their harness every single day. Every single day we have to check this harness. And it has to be your harness. Think about that. Do you really want to share a harness with somebody else? I know I don't. Think about that. You've got your buddy Floyd. All right, your Floyd wears the harness, you wear the harness. But Floyd, great guy, but Floyd's kind of a mess, Floyd doesn't really take care of his stuff. He's kind of messy, right? So anyway, you've got Floyd using it, you've got you using it. Floyd doesn't take good care of it. You're in a hurry one day. You say, hey, Floyd, I need my harness. I got to go up there. Floyd directs you to where the harness is at. You just quick put it on, not knowing that you had damage to your harness because Floyd was welding. And Floyd had some spatter. And some spatter went right here on the webbing. Alright? If you don't check this stuff out, guys, that's how accidents happen. Alright? I'm telling you right now, it's preventable. Check your harness. Don't share your harness. There's no such thing as one size fits all. There's large and extra large. There's small and there's medium. But there's not a harness out there that will fit somebody who is 4'11" and 6'3". There's no way. All right, you're going to have too much gap here. You're going to have too much gap down there. It's just a recipe for disaster. So guys, take this stuff serious. This one looks absolutely pretty good. Actually, it really does. However, there is a part in here, and I'd have to find it again too. But we retired that harness because you couldn't read any of the instructions anymore. Sorry, right in here. You couldn't read them anymore inside here because it was left out in the elements. That's where they stored it. They left it out in the elements. Hot, cold, wind, rain. They left it outside all the time. Looks beautiful though. It does. But it wouldn't pass. Alright? So anyway, any questions? 231-629-7006. Everybody, have a great day out there and be careful.